For today's nail art, we are going to be doing a French manicure. I'm going to start off by marking where I want my smile line by taking a dotting tool and a little bit of black polish. For the French tip, I'm going to be using stamping plate JR96 from AliExpress and black stamping polish from Born Pretty. I'm going to repeat that same process, this time using black foil stamping polish from Moyra. After 60 seconds, I'm going to press some pink foil onto my French tip. Now I'll add a white swirl using Dayara stamping plate number 1, frames. Finish with your favorite top coat. And here's the completed design. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail art ideas.